China's BYD surpasses Tesla. The EV giant's massive sales boom. Breaking news. China's BYD is dominating the global electric vehicle market, reporting record-breaking sales growth while Tesla struggles to keep up. BYD, once considered a challenger brand, is now beating Tesla in key markets. With affordable pricing, cutting-edge technology, and government support, it's clear that BYD is no longer just a competitor. It's a global powerhouse. But the real question is this just a temporary success, or is BYD officially taking over as the world's leading EV brand? Today, we break down why BYD is growing so fast, what it means for Tesla, and how this could shape the future of electric vehicles worldwide. Let's dive in. BYD's insane growth. How did it happen? BYD has reported a massive 45% increase in global EV sales compared to last year, outpacing nearly all major automakers. In the last quarter alone, BYD sold over 500,000 electric and hybrid vehicles, solidifying its position as one of the fastest-growing automakers in the world. Meanwhile, Tesla sales in China and Europe have declined, showing clear signs that BYD is gaining ground fast. So, how did BYD go from an underdog to an industry leader? Affordable pricing. BYD's electric vehicles are often 30% cheaper than Tesla's, making them more accessible to the average consumer. Battery technology leadership. Unlike most automakers, BYD manufactures its own batteries, giving it greater control over production costs and supply chain efficiency. Government support and expansion. China's pro-EV policies and subsidies have given BYD a huge advantage in its home market, allowing it to scale production at an incredible rate. Aggressive global expansion. BYD is no longer just focusing on China. It's entering new markets, launching in Europe, Latin America, and even challenging Tesla in the US. With these advantages, BYD is quickly taking over the EV industry. But what does this mean for Tesla? Tesla versus BYD. Who's winning the EV race? Tesla has long been considered the king of electric vehicles, but recent numbers show that BYD is catching up fast. In 2023, Tesla was still the top EV maker globally, but in 2024, BYD officially outsold Tesla in total vehicle sales, making it the world's largest EV manufacturer. Tesla's sales in China have dropped by nearly 20%, while BYD has taken over as the top-selling EV brand in its home country. BYD is rapidly expanding into Europe, Australia, and the Middle East, increasing its global market share. So, does this mean that Tesla is in trouble? Not necessarily, but the company needs to act fast. Tesla still has a strong brand reputation and a loyal customer base, but it must lower costs and improve its technology to stay competitive. BYD is proving that affordability and innovation can beat luxury branding. If Tesla doesn't adapt, it risks losing its dominance in key markets. But what do industry experts say about this shift? What are experts saying? Tesla executives remain confident. We are facing temporary competition, but Tesla's technology and brand loyalty will keep us ahead in the long run. BYD leadership, on the other hand, is pushing forward. We are just getting started. Our goal is to dominate the global EV market. Industry analysts say Tesla should be concerned. BYD's pricing strategy and aggressive expansion are real threats to Tesla's dominance. If Tesla doesn't adapt, it could lose its position as the market leader. Clearly, BYD isn't slowing down anytime soon. But what does this mean for you as a consumer or investor? What this means for car buyers and investors? For car buyers, BYD's aggressive expansion means more affordable EV options for consumers. If Tesla doesn't lower prices, buyers might start choosing BYD instead. For investors, BYD's rapid growth is making it one of the hottest stocks in the EV sector. Meanwhile, Tesla is facing more volatility. Is now the time to reconsider Tesla stock holdings? for auto industry employees. As BYD expands, it will create new job opportunities globally. However, Tesla and other automakers may need to restructure their operations to stay competitive. With the EV industry changing so fast, the next few months will be critical for both Tesla and BYD. What happens next? BYD is entering new markets, and its expansion into the US could shake up the industry even further. Tesla is expected to announce new pricing strategies and potential manufacturing improvements to stay competitive. Governments worldwide are rethinking EV policies, and subsidies may play a key role in determining future market leaders. So, the real question is, final thoughts, is BYD the new king of EVs? Is Tesla still the top EV brand, or is BYD officially taking over? Will Tesla cut prices and compete, or is it losing its global dominance? We want to hear from you. Will you consider buying a BYD, or do you think Tesla is still the best option? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you think BYD will dominate the EV industry, or will Tesla fight back? Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next big market update. Stay informed, stay ahead, and stay prepared for what's next.